Welcome to Best Car Review. Today we're looking at one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, the 1969 Dodge Charger 500. Built for speed and designed to compete in NASCAR, this car was Dodge's answer to the competition. With a mix of aggressive styling, powerful engines, and aerodynamic upgrades, the Charger 500 is one of the most sought-after classic cars today. Let's dive into what makes this machine so special. By the late 1960s, Dodge had established the Charger as one of the most dominant muscle cars on the road. However, when it came to NASCAR, the standard Charger faced a major issue. Its aerodynamics weren't suited for high-speed racing. The recessed grille and flying buttress rear window created drag, making the car slower on the track. To fix this, Dodge introduced the Charger 500, a modified version designed to reduce drag and improve performance. The most noticeable change on the Charger 500 was the front grille. Unlike the standard Charger's deep-set grille, the 500 had a flush-mounted grille that allowed air to pass smoothly over the front. The rear window was also changed. Dodge replaced the recessed design with a sloped, flush-mounted window to improve stability at high speeds. These modifications weren't just for looks, they made the Charger 500 faster and more competitive in racing. Under the hood, the Charger 500 packed serious power. It came with two engine options, the 440 Magnum V8 producing 375 horsepower, and the legendary 426 HEMI V8 generating 425 horsepower. The HEMI engine was a beast, capable of pushing the Charger 500 to speeds over 150 miles per hour. This level of performance made it one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. To handle all that power, the Charger 500 featured a heavy-duty suspension, improved steering, and a 4-speed manual transmission. These upgrades gave drivers better control, whether on the road or the racetrack. The combination of power and handling made the Charger 500 a serious contender in NASCAR. Despite its improvements, the Charger 500 still faced tough competition. Ford had introduced the Torino Talladega, a car with even better aerodynamics. While the Charger 500 performed well, Dodge quickly realized it needed an even more radical design. This led to the development of the Charger Daytona, which featured a massive rear wing and a pointed nose cone for extreme aerodynamic efficiency. Because the Charger 500 was only produced for a short time, it remains one of the rarest muscle cars today. Dodge built around 500 units, making it a prized collector's item. Finding an original Charger 500 in good condition is no easy task, and when they do come up for sale, they command high prices. Inside, the Charger 500 kept things simple but effective. The interior featured bucket seats, a center console, and a driver's seat instrument panel with large, easy-to-read gauges. It wasn't a luxury car, but it had everything needed for a high-performance driving experience. The 1969 Dodge Charger 500 represents an era when muscle cars were built for raw speed and power. It was a stepping stone in Dodge's racing evolution, paving the way for the legendary Charger Daytona. Even though it wasn't produced for long, its impact on racing and car culture is undeniable. That's a wrap on today's review. What do you think of the Charger 500? Would you love to own one of these rare muscle cars? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Car Review for more classic car deep dives. Thanks for watching.